victories now last year to the how much of a damper is this your recent performance?
I mean, it's just a streak that that's broke. I think I'll take on from the game. I thought we played well today. I thought that we weren't clinical in the final third. But you know what cost us the game? We lost concentration in that part. I mean, I think we gave ourselves. You know, I mean, listen, get out from the game and come again for the next week.
Recently, we've seen where the Waterhouse team, especially your substitute bench, have been more or less on the decline, limited number of players. What really is taking place at Waterhouse? What's the issue?
We don't have any issue. I mean, he's trained now, they get selected to be in the squad. We don't have an issue with that. That wasn't the fault of anybody. We just had will come in and play. We have injuries in around the squad, so you know you can't put a player out there who's not fit. When you're fit, you see the bench.
Okay, looking ahead, what's next for Waterhouse in terms of the overall season, how they're looking at it and all that here?
We're still in the first round. I mean, it's a 10th game. Still have a few games left. I mean, it's still early. We still have a long way to go. We still have some, you know, things in the team we can get better, and we are getting better. And it's the team now is starting to play the type of football that we wanted to play. We just get it right and come at end, back end.
Finally, from you, and summation of tonight's match.
Let's go.
Your summation of tonight's match.
It's just one of those. It's one of those days. I mean, you know, with the scooters to Tivoli, we thought they do what they do to get our achievement. We are grateful. We have to fight the truth.